Anyone else's spread like really high?
My spread right now is sitting at about 1.7 pips for GJ and 1 pip for EJ.
Yeah, mine's at like 2.2.
I've got 4.1.
Oh.
I wanted to take an entry earlier. It was like 5 pips or something.
I'm actually in GJ buys. Sorry, mate.
Yeah, I wanted to get in, and it was like 5 pips, and I was put off.
Yeah, I got in. I got in once we closed above 137,500, and then I literally took my entry when we broke the previous 30-minute high.
What was your stop at then?
Basically, I've got like a 12 pip stop, so I'm just anticipating if I go into a drawdown, I would just close. But I thought once we get above those wicks, which we did, that's clean to the upside. So, but it's because it's the end of the week. I'm only risking like 0.5%. So, I'm gonna practically risk max 1% tonight, and then if I lose, I'm not too bothered. I think we got room to head up.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we'll grab some coffee and then I haven't done my analysis yet, but I'll get it in a minute.
I've sent a chart for when you get sick.
Yeah, I think I could get 10 pips.
Yeah, you should be able to.
Yeah, we've broke the 30 high. So, I mean, the 30-minute hasn't formed the bottom wick, but
I was looking at taking it on the 15-minute.
what, once we'd formed support, or?
No, like earlier. But my spread was so high, it still is on 4 pips.
Oh right. Oh, mine's only like 1.2 pips.
Harrison, what are you looking at, brother?
So I'm actually in GJ buys right now.
Oh, you already got in?
Yeah. I got in literally just before. Well, yeah, just before.
Break of the hourly high.
Well, yeah. I didn't get in because of that reason, but I've got my resistance drawn at 137,500. So once that bullish candle came back up and closed above that area, I was looking for buys to come retest the high.
Gotcha. Yeah, man. EJ already like moved up on me. I was gonna take it, but I felt like it was a little bit too early in the session. But it's already starting to go up.
Yeah, I thought it was a bit early, but it looks clean. And to be honest with you, like I was saying, I only want to risk like minimal amounts today. So it's more just for fun rather than to try and make money. Do you know what I mean?
No, definitely. Yeah, I'm only risking about 1% today as well.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, end of the week got end on a high.
You had that mini resistance where, sorry? Yeah, 137,500. Is that Dorian?
By the way, boys, I'm gonna be a little bit like in and out of the chat just because I have some guests like around me and stuff. We're just chilling on the back of the patio. So
Yeah, no problem, bro.
yeah, just
But,
chilling out here.
What are you looking at tonight?
Honestly, right now, man, like I really like EJ. Just like it looks really clean, but it looks like EJ is kind of already going up right now to retest the daily highs.
Yeah.
So right now, the way I have GJ set up right now, it still looks clean because it's just broke over the hourly highs right now. If I was
Yeah.
to get in, I would want some sort of like retest, maybe another 50-minute candle, and then a break of that to maybe start going for 137,800 or 138 flat as a super
Yeah.
target.
Yeah. I mean, I was originally looking at maybe if we broke 800, but then I'm thinking it's the end. It's coming to the end of the week. You know, are we just gonna sort of range here now? Because we've had so much volume this week.
No, definitely. If you were to wait for it to break 800, then you'd probably be waiting for you're probably waiting a
Till
while
tomorrow.
in the session.
Yeah,
Yeah,
probably
or
till
something.
tomorrow. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I thought, because you know, volume hasn't even started to kick in, and you know, it's already starting to break up. So I'm thinking, is this an indication that we're gonna head further up? I don't know.
I think we are right now from like my 4-hour bias. Unless we break 137,280, then it would signify sells to go down.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
but
that's
it
where
already
I've got my error.
yeah, but it already looks like we're already breaking, like the hourly already broke the previous hourly high with no bottom wick. So we're definitely looking like it's gonna probably keep continuing going up. And those top wicks on GJ are probably a really good target area.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, those wicks are 4-hour wicks, daily wicks as well.
Yeah, really good area to get back in for that. But then again, honestly, like I'm debating right now, just looking at EJ, especially right now too, the way it's going. I feel like I would get in EJ right now if it does pull back a little bit and then breaks the highs.
Yeah,
Maybe
that
get
would be your entry.
Yeah, that would probably be my entry. Maybe get it's about 15 pips if it breaks the top of the wick that's currently forming right now on the 30.
Yeah, so it's just a little bit under a 1-to-1, but
Yeah. Well, like you could still kind of have a 10 pip stop if this 30 just creates a little bottom wick and continues going up on the current candle.
yeah, I mean,
Or even if
yeah,
even if you took it on the previous 15.
yeah. I mean, realistically, if it's gonna come down, it shouldn't come all the way down.
No.
So you can have your stop a little bit. Do you know what I mean?
No, exactly. A little bit higher, a little bit more aggressive.
Yeah. Try and just get it to maybe a 1-to-1.
Yeah. Right now I have it set up for 1-to-2 if this does come back and breaks the high.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I might close my GJ buy here actually. Yeah.
Then again too, man, like the session hasn't even fully started. I might just like sit on my hands a little bit and just chill out a little bit. I think I'm just like I'm pacing myself right now.
Yeah, I mean, I don't like. I mean, if it starts to go bearish here, then I think I'm gonna close because I just don't want to be in any drawdown, to be honest.
Yep.
Definitely. Even like yesterday too, man, with those like buys that we like originally took.
Yeah.
I eliminated like the position right off the bat, so like I lost only like 0.5%, not even 1%. And then when we got those sells, man, I made back like triple that, right? So
yeah, more like quadruple.
I was thinking those EJ sells were gonna come a bit earlier, but we waited and we caught them.
Right.
I'm so annoyed. I moved my sell stop. I had my sell stop, and I thought, oh, I just don't see it coming down, so I removed it, and I would have got a nice 20 pip move there.
Alright, so I'm gonna go through my analysis.
I'm gonna close GJ at break
real
even.
quick. So far, looking bullish on the daily. Yeah, daily maybe gets up to here. We'll see. This wick is gonna need to get broken above to get up there, though. That's for sure. Daily. Looks like this 4-hour broke below the previous. So we have a lower low. If we can't get higher, we're gonna come back down and go where we go, maybe off into here. We'll see what that looks like on the smaller time frame and then try to pick a better hey, no, come on. You need to behave. Try to pick a better target. 2 hour. We're bearish for 21 more minutes till this closes bullish, if we close bullish. So looking at the wicks like we always do to see what price is doing. Kind of got that high established. Breaking above here. Now we have this lower than this one. And at the moment, this one is lower than this one. And this broke below here, but we came into this support that kind of bounced off of here. So we're going to need to see kind of what happens in this area to see where we go. But if we go to the 1 hour now, I'm going to mark this 2 hour. So if we break above this 2 hour, we're going up and we're going to break here. Otherwise, this bearish candle is going to be resistance. So if it's resistance, we're not going to get above here. Otherwise, this was not resistance and this was actually support to carry price up. So that's how you can tell is if this gets above here, price will go up to this target we have here. We'll maybe see if what it looks like on the smaller time frame, but that's going to be, we'll go previous 2 hour high, and then in 20 minutes we'll adjust if we need to. What was the 4 hour? 4 hours bullish. Okay, 2 hour, 1 hour. So 1 hour made a higher high now, but this one also made a higher high to this one. So this one also bounced off support. So this candle made a high and a low, so you should probably wait for the next candle to see which direction we go. And we got a high with a higher low. And we're also kind of forming, I wonder if this looks better on the 30 minute. But 30 minute, we kind of see same thing we normally look for. Got this, that's kind of like the initial low. Next higher low. This was kind of breaking down, but we made a higher low again. If you look at the wicks, this is like higher than this area and this area. So we're either going to, this is kind of our area to pay attention to. We're either coming here, making a low below this little support we made here, coming up to test this resistance up in here to come back down. Or the other thing is up. So
What up, guys?
so that's what we could be maybe taking a bounce off of here if we get a new high to take it up to here and maybe hold for volume whenever it comes in, wherever we set up to, then push us up to here. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I don't see a whole lot yet. I just see big mess right now. So I want to see how this 2 hour closes to really make a decision. Because if this closes weak, then we're just gonna, and we don't break above here on the next 2 hour, we're just gonna come and fill this wick. Because this one did break below here, so that makes me think that there's a good chance we could break through this so-called support and fall down into here. 30 minute, yeah, if we fall in the 30 minute, what is that? Maybe back into this area here, maybe here.
Yeah, this hourly is gonna really kind of judge it as well with GJ.
Yeah, definitely.
In about 17 minutes, if this hourly closes bullish with respecting the lows of the previous, we're probably still gonna play head up.
Yeah, I mean this 1 hour has no wick to the bottom either.
Yeah, we'll see though. That's why it's better to just wait about 17 minutes. Just start of the session. Let's just see what happens.
Yeah, I closed my GJ at break even anyway, so I'm happy. I feel better now that I'm out of it, to be honest, because I don't like the way it's forming. Because once it broke the high, I was anticipating that it would just continue moving up, but the fact that it just started to like do what it's doing now, I'd just rather be out of it. But I mean, if we can make a bottom wick and then start to come back up on the 15 minute, maybe I'll look for like another entry.
Nope, I agree.
But I'll be pissed if it just suddenly just shoots up to TP in the next 16 minutes.
We've seen it before when we get volatility before Asian session, right? But
yeah, it can happen.
But then again, man, it's 10 times better just to wait, let the market do what it needs to do, and then take advantage of it when you can, right?
Yeah, definitely, mate.
It's better to miss a couple opportunities and be prepared for some than you expecting opportunities and lose some.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, because we've still got 15 minutes and it hasn't really formed a bet, like a bottom wick. So
It seems
this could,
weak, yeah.
yeah, this could even just be the top wick just to start heading down anyway.
Yep.
So
I have like an hourly high resistance at about 137,565 right now, and it's having trouble right now keeping above that.
yeah, is that if I think you go onto the 15 minute as well, there's like a rejection wick.
Yep.
I
Yep.
think
Yep.
it's
Yep.
like reacting to that
Yep.
area
Yep.
there.
Exactly.
So maybe a break above that might be the indication to
That'll be the
continue higher.
catalyst. That'll be the catalyst.
Exactly. Yeah.
Because even if we break these major highs over here, we still got room to play all the way up to 138
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, you can easily get 10 pips.
easily.
But I wasn't expecting GJ to come and fill that daily wick today in the New York session.
Unfortunately, unfortunately, I wasn't part of the New York session. When I woke up in the morning, when I saw everything, it was a bit choppy, and I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna get into this right now. When I saw that false breakout, I was like, it's not for me.
Yeah, it kind of faked out one way, then faked out the other way.
Yeah, there's a lot of news. There's a lot of
Yeah.
news.
Yeah.
That Euro news.
Yeah, I was only watching it on my phone like throughout the day at work, and then at just 4 or 5 o'clock, I just saw, oh, hang on, it's just rallied.
Did you see?
Blind.
Did you see EJ? How much it just
Yeah.
exploded to the upside?
Yeah, once the news came out, it just went boom. It was
it just
wow.
went bonkers, man.
Yeah, it'd have been nice if we had some buy stops, but I didn't. I thought that this whole move was like the market pricing in that news, but clearly it had an effect.
Alright, Samuel,
Definitely.
let's see what you got. Buy stop there, sell stop there. What is this? USD, US dollar, peso. Is that a 3 pip stop? 4 pip stop? Okay. 30 minute. Looks nice going both ways. I think it looks good. You got blue for your buys and green for the sells. Pretty neat.
Yeah, I'm kind of glad I closed. I don't really want to be in this drawdown. But if this 30 minutes starts to like close above and then we get candles forming support here, it'd be nice to continue moving up.
Mm-hmm.
But I was like similarly what you were saying, Paul, is if we start closing back below, for me that would be my indication that we're gonna start coming down.
Yeah, I think waiting for the open volume. I mean,
Yeah,
there were decent buys yesterday, but the sells were like 1,000,000,000 times better.
Oh, 100%.
There's what 10 pips compared to 65.
Yeah, I caught those sells and I made back my loss, so I was happy. It's annoying when because I only risked like 1% for sales last night, and then if I ended up risking my normal 2%, then I would have made a decent amount. But I suppose you can't think like that, can you?
Yeah, that's how it goes. But win's a win.
Yeah, exactly. Well, as long as it wasn't a losing day, so that's the main thing.
Yep, I saw you said this yesterday too, or 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Very nice.
How you doing, Paul?
Good. How are you?
I'm fine, man. So you seen the chart that I sent you today?
No, I haven't looked at any charts
I mean,
yet.
on Instagram.
So yeah, if this 2 hour closes bearish, that's going to be beautiful. Because then all we have to do is not break this high, and we continue coming down. If we break this high, we're going to go up, depending on this closure. But same thing, even if this 2 hour closes bullish, but it closes weak, if we don't get above here, we're still going to be coming back to fill this wick, because this will be a lower low, lower high, lower high, lower high, come back and fill here, would be what I'm thinking. I don't know how you guys take these trades. Your spread's got to be ridiculous. I just started calming down.
Really? Yeah, mine's been like around like 1 pip for like the past 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours?
Yeah, man. Like I was looking at it like around 4:30, like just around like 5 o'clock for Eastern time, and it was about the same right now. Right now they're a little bit lower, but it was like the highest I saw was.
How is that
1.5
possible? Because that's in the middle when the spreads are like 20, 30, 40 pips.
So take this in. Yesterday it was like way up. It was like 80 pips, but today for some reason it was at 1.5.
Yeah, because
It's
mine
like
was
every single day is different with Vantage. I don't know. But yeah, man, it's been like around the same amount of pip count since about 5 o'clock my time.
Pound news. Oh yeah, I saw that we had GBP news today too. Yeah, Hayden, your chart did not work unless I typed it in wrong. But I don't think I did. Nope.
Is that a Vantage Pro ECN thing? Okay.
Spread was 3. It's not bad. Oh yeah, we just got yellow folders.
Hey Paul, can I ask you a question about your strategy real quick?
Yeah.
So if you look at GJ on the 15 minute at 2:45 Pacific time. So right before that 3 o'clock candle. So the 15 minute, that first one that closed bullish, the second one that started at like this past hour open, would you have started taking a buy when it broke like the top of the previous candle, like the open, or I guess the top, or like the top of the wick?
I don't know which candle I'm supposed to look at.
The first, let's see, that tiny green candle.
Here?
That would be the one that's formed support.
Right
that
here?
one. Would you have traded that next candle?
No.
Yeah.
No. No, because I would be expecting it to run into this.
Yeah.
And then continue down. So.
Okay.
And then this one actually broke the previous 4 hour, just because this was the previous 4 hour here, and we broke it. So that would mean I'm looking for sells. So I'd be waiting for this one to break below here. But it went up, so.
Okay, and then to continue down to like that 137, I guess 15.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that makes sense.
Yep.
Especially, I guess, with the new hour open, you would expect it, like with momentum, I guess, to continue to push it down.
Mm-hmm.
So then you would keep their stop, I guess, above that little green candle. If you were to like trade that, if it broke, I guess the bottom, of that little green candle.
Yeah, so it would kind of look like this.
Yeah, correct.
Oh.
And then
Yeah.
drag, yeah.
Yep.
All right, cool. Thanks, man.
Yep. This will be interesting.
Yeah, I can't see this 30-minute right now retracing or anything completely what that bullish candle is before. Probably see some kind of support to keep going up.
Mm,
No?
I don't know. It
Okay,
looks
we'll
like.
see, we'll see, we'll see.
Yeah, I want to see what this 2 hour does before I.
No, I feel you,
You
my
know what I
bad.
mean?
The 4 hour did make a lower low compared to the previous 4 hour.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, no, I do see that right now.
It shows that on TradingView, but on my broker, it didn't break below yet.
Yep, the glasses are working great.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah, right here.
There we go. Did you hear what I said before though?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
Did I not reply?
I don't know. I've had speaker problems recently, so I don't know if you guys heard me or not.
Oh, no, I heard you. I thought I said something, but I must have thought I said something and actually didn't.
You hear me now?
Yeah, I can. I've heard you the whole time.
Was that just there? Was that better or worse than previously?
About the same.
Okay. Never mind. Don't mind me.
Yo, Paul.
Yep.
I was gonna say, are you looking at it at this 2 hour as a massive rejection to continue going upward? Because it came down and rejected off of this support.
If the next one breaks above it, yeah.
Yeah, got it. I might take our early entry on the 30-minute once it breaks this current one. If this one closes bearish.
Gurja for sells?
No, for buys for
Gotcha.
GG. If it breaks the top.
Gotcha.
Because the previous 4 hour is bullish, so I'm taking that into consideration.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit on my hands right now. I want this to develop a little bit more.
If this 15 stays above 485, I like buys.
If GJ breaks 137, 597 area, I'd definitely be looking for buys at that point.
That's so funny. I literally almost just said 15 or 596.
Yeah. Hey, great minds think alike.
Well, I mean, if you look on the 30-minute, those wicks. Right.
As long as we respect those, like the 30-minute candles right now, and if we do the next candle, if we do break the highs over there, that's also the hourly high, which I feel like would be like the only thing that's holding price back from not filling the previous top wick.
Yeah.
If it stays like this, stop loss would be less than 10 pips.
want this next 15-minute candle to kind of, honestly, if it makes no bottom wick, because if it did make a bottom wick, it wouldn't really respect the previous 15. But if it continues to break above 597, I might take a buy. Two-hour open just happened, so it's another thing to keep in mind, boys.
Oh.
Yeah, I actually got in once we broke the 30-minute high.
Yeah, I got in as well.
I'm about to.
Yeah,
Why
Yeah, I
you
got-
man's copying me?
I got,
I got
a
in
10
as
pip
well.
stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, same. I got an 11 pip stop.
Yeah,
I don't-
if we start to reverse, then I'm just gonna close.
No, I'm watching it though.
I don't use a 2-hour like analysis like you guys do, but like since I'm watching it on the Zoom right now, it broke the 2-hour high too.
Yep.
Yeah, this gets up to about 752, 137, 752. That would be 1.2 for me. Could be higher than 1%. Hopefully, it just keeps going right now. It's looking clean though right now. Hopefully. This is a bit of an aggressive position because in reality, if this starts flipping back where my stop loss is, it would be right now my stop loss is under the previous 15. But if this does start turning back, I'll probably start monitoring on the 5-minute. If we start breaking previous lows of the 5-minute, then I'll probably start eliminating positions.
Yeah, I'm gonna secure 80%, maybe all of it right here, and then wait to open.
Yeah, we pretty much got the same position going right now, Paul.
Yeah.
I think we all do, right, boys?
Yeah, I'm in.
Yes, sir.
What you guys get in at? I got in at 137, 616.
I got
613.
611.
Okay, there you go. Close enough.
597.
597, nice.
Wow.
I took the break of the 15, not the 30.
Very nice, bro.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Getting classy over there, eh?
I'm actually up like 25 pips already.
Okay.
Yo, let me guess Dallas Green, bro. You got like a glass of like Prosecco with you right now or something? Because you're just that fancy.
I'm barely break even right now.
Come on, GJ. You know you want to fly up.
Right? I know she wants to.
She's taunting us. She wants to just.
Oh, she's
rock
talking
it.
dirty. She's talking dirty.
Oh yeah.
Get that 4-hour wick fill maybe.
Yeah, that'd be
It
nice.
makes sense because it retested the 30-minute resistance and the 15 made a strong support.
Yeah, I mean, if this candle as well, it literally had no wick to the bottom. So if it starts to head up, which it looks like it is now, I think we're clean.
Yeah, 5
One
minutes
thing
got some
to-
clean traffic on the left, so
Yeah.
One thing that I took into consideration was the 4-hour. It came down and almost broke it, but it didn't, and then started not shooting up, but continuing up. So if you wanted to break, they shouldn't have came up and flipped. It should have kept going down. What do you guys think on that?
Yeah, I agree.
it's like I've heard it before.
No, I agree with
I feel like I've said it every single stream multiple times.
Pretty sure.
Mm-hmm.
the people that come every single day. It's just like deja vu.
It's more clear on TradingView, but on the 5-minute on my broker, I have a little bit of a problem area at like 624, and that's
Oh.
where it kind of is right now.
My 5 minutes clean.
On your broker on TradingView.
Yep, both. Well, I haven't looked at the 5 minute on TradingView, but the broker 5 minute is clear.
Yeah, same with me.
5 minutes
T4.
clean here, up to
Yeah, even the 15's clean.
yeah.
Yep.
Yeah,
Let's go, baby.
Yeah,
I'm trying to
Here we
get this.
Oh,
this has got to be the rocket ship.
I'm trying to get this daily wick fill.
Come on, GJ.
Come on, GJ.
Let's end the week nice.
hell yeah,
And the
boys.
day, nice, bro. I had a crap.
Put the energy together, boys. Put the energy together.
Yeah, positive thinking.
That's it, man. Just imagine it just hitting that 10 pip
Here.
or whatever.
I've got your energy right here.
Get out of here. Get out
And
of
then
here.
imagine it just completely reverses on all of us.
Why would you even
EJ's starting to go up. It just broke past my alert right now too, so it's getting a little pusher as well.
Yeah, I think they're both gonna come and retest that high.
No, that's perfect, man. That's my 1.2.
Yeah,
That's
this
my-
looks like it's gonna go up.
Let's do it, boys.
Yeah. Yeah.
just close 100
There we
pips,
go.
nice. Just close 100. Yeah, I'm up 500, 500 pips, and then I have a sell that's up 1500. So I'm just kind of hanging out.
Yeah,
Unless I
according to the
go-
lunar position, took a buy and a sell at the same time, right?
Yeah, exactly. Avenger, just up 1,000 pips. No, whatever. I mean, it's just floating, no biggie.
Saturn is pretty close to Jupiter anyways, so it makes sense, right?
I don't even know what that has to do with anything, to be honest. I'm way lost right now.
Just wait for that last 2-minute push, boys. When 50-minute hits that 2-minute push, it's gonna go. Watch.
Yeah. Any tips for trading NFP? Don't. That would be my best tip. Is don't. Unless you like losing money. If you like losing money, then full margin it and rock out. But if you like to consistently be profitable every week, maybe trade before or after, or just take the whole day off. I haven't decided what I'm going to do. It's going to depend on how tonight goes.
I'm gonna be trading before it.
So the question is, do we get all the way here, and do we get above before open?
Fine.
Right now on the 15s, on the 50-minute, if it reaches the top bodies of the previous high, that'll be great for me. That's where I'll go break even, and then whatever happens after that happens. I'll be at about 1.2% if it hits that mark.
Harmonic convergence. Yeah, we got harmonic